RH system. The today's topic is RH factor or RH system. This RH system was discovered by scientists Landsteiner and Wiener in the year 1940. This RH factor is based on RH antigen. This RH antigen was first time reported in the RBC of monkey rhesus macaque. That is why it is known as RH. Based on the presence of antigen RH absent or present, all the organisms can be classified in two categories. If RH antigen is present, then they are known as RH positive, and if this antigen, RH antigen, is absent, then the organism is known as RH negative. Maximum population of human being contains RH positive factor, that is RH antigen is present. This antigen is present on the RBC of human being. If we transfer the RH positive blood to RH negative individual, then individual with the RH negative blood develops antibodies. This is known as isoimmunization, because antigen and antibodies both are of same type. That is why we call it iso. Iso means same. So antigen and antibodies are of same type and is known as isoimmunization type. Now, this RH factor can become the cause of incompatibility or a disease which is known as erythroblastosis fetalis. This disease occurs when RH negative mother conceive pregnancy having a fetus which is RH positive. That means the RBC of the fetus contains antigen RH, but in mother there is no antigen nor antibodies. Both the blood of mother and the fetus are separated by a barrier which is known as placental barrier. Now, during the delivery or at the time of gestation, there is no problem because there is no mixing of blood. But at the time of delivery, when the umbilical cord is cut, then there is possibility of mixing of RH positive blood of fetus with the RH negative blood of the mother. But since this occurs for a very short period of time, hence the fetus doesn't get any harm or much harm. He just suffer from mild anemia or jaundice. By that time, the mother prepares antibodies against the RH antigen which is received from the RH antigen of the fetus. Now, if second pregnancy or further consecutive pregnancy occur in same ratio or same combination, then the mother already contains RH antibodies. And same antigen and antibodies always cause agglutinization. Now the fetus is already positive. It is having antigen and mother blood develops antibodies. These antibodies are transferred through placenta to the fetus. In fetus, these antibodies reacts with the RH antigen and causes agglutination. This agglutination results in destruction of RBC. And because of this disease is known as erythroblastosis fetalis. That means erythrocyte get blast in the fetal condition, and this is known as erythroblastosis fetalis. It may result in the death of child. This child suffering from this disease is known as rhesus child. To prevent this, the blood needs to be cleared and need to be transferred from clear blood.